YouTube. This is I Hate Magnet. Today I'll teach you how to make a snow cone. You will need a bowl with crushed ice, as you can see. Yeah, we're gonna crush that, and you will need like some syrup, and you'll need a small cup of water, a small amount, and you will need a cup and a spoon, or you can just drink it yourself. Okay, you're going to need to get crushed ice, or you could get regular ice, and you're going to crush it, and you might want to crush it until it's like until it looks like this, until it's into little bits, or you might want to crush it a little bit more so it's into little pieces so you can enjoy it even more. Like I will be crushing. Well, you can get regular ice, put it in a bowl, and start crushing it with a spoon, or even a knife, but that's not kind of safe. But I'll be crushing this, and I'll be showing you step by step how to make homemade snow cones. See a couple of pieces shattered, but yes, that's pretty much enough. You might want to take out the spoon, put it somewhere into like a cup, and then you're going to mix it with your hands, and you're going to put it up and down. So get the ice all wet and everything moist. Get your hand wet and moist. And then you shake it around. You're going to get the syrup poured around. We have cold champagne syrup. Not that much of it left, but yeah, it'll do enough. Okay, that's pretty much enough of this stuff. And YouTube, I will be right back in just a second. Just a second. I was going to get some vanilla flavoring, but you don't have to get vanilla flavoring, but it gives it a little bit more taste if you do. But as I said, I'll continue putting in this stuff. You might want to, like, if you don't have a lot, then just shake it in there, and then you're going to put like this much amount of water. You pour it in, shake it up a little, and if you don't want that much, just put it in a little cup, get your spoon, mix it, and then you could just taste it to see if it's good. Tasty, it just needs a little bit more water. Okay, that's fine. And now, you can even put vanilla flavor, you can put whatever you want, really. And you just mix it up. Now, this is the part with the cup. You could put a little bit more water in the cup. Like water in the cup, just a little bit, and then you are going to, like, if you have a bowl, you could transfer it into two like this, like I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in here. This stuff is good. You got it. But yes, you will need syrup. You will need syrup. Like, I bought this from Walmart, cold champagne, Jamaican syrup. glass of this stuff in there. Yes, that's a little bit more coming. Okay. And now what you are going to do is get like your hand. Actually, get your spoon right here, and you are going to pour a teaspoon of water into it to give it more flavor. And you should put some sugar on it. You might want to put some sugar on it because it makes it taste a little bit better. And then when you put the sugar on it, you put some vanilla flavoring on it, and then it'll taste even better. Like, I'll be back with some sugar. Okay, YouTube, I'm back with some sugar. You just put it in the bowl right here. I'm using brown sugar because it's a little bit more healthier than regular sugar. Like, you pour some water in here, like just a little bit water, and when you pour the water in there, you like mix it up a little, and then you pour it into a cup. But me, I'm just gonna pour it into a different cup right now. Like this cup right here. And shake it up a little. You might want to put your hand in there to get all of that sugar out. But you have to wash your hands before you do this. So make sure they're super clean. And then you shake it in there. You might want to drink a little. See if it's tangy. Pour like a little bit, so it won't be too sweet. Because this stuff is way too sweet. This stuff is way too sweet, I tell you.